Hi everyone. In this video, we'll see how you can apply for your PayTM Payments Bank debit card. So I'm doing this video through PayTM mobile app. Mostly the options will be similar in the website as well. If you have any queries, let me know through the comment section. So let's get started. So open your PayTM mobile app, and in the below menu you can see an option called Bank. Please click on that. And you can see the digital debit card appearing here. Just scroll down a little bit. Come to the last, and you can see an option in a menu called bank account services. Not menu, one section, bank account services, as I've highlighted there. You can see an option called debit and ATM card, and a new popping up there. New appears because this option has been re-enabled, enabled new, because if you click on checkbook, it is still under process. You don't have the checkbook listed, but debit card is now available. So I'll click on debit and ATM card, and here in the below you can see block your card option and request card. Click on the request card, and you can see the preview of how your PayTM Payments Bank debit card is going to appear. You have to select a delivery address. If your selected delivery address is listed here, then click on that, or otherwise click on add new and add a new address. I'll go back, and this is my address. So if I click on proceed to pay 120, then 120 will be getting deducted, or I have to pay 120, and this debit card as shown in the image above will be mailed to my below address. So I don't want this PayTM Payments Bank debit card. So this was an informative video which I did for you. So I'm not proceeding to pay 120 rupees, but if you want to apply for PayTM debit card, then you have to click on proceed to pay and pay 120 rupees. So this way you can apply for your PayTM Payments Bank debit card. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries related to this, let me know through the comment section. I'll try to help you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.
You say you wanna try, but you never